Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Photoshop on laptop and PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Photoshop is a powerful tool with lots of awesome features, and you can use it for photo editing, graphic design, and many other creative tasks. To download it, start by opening a web browser on your PC, like Chrome or any browser you prefer, and type in Adobe Photoshop. Click on the official Adobe website, which is adobe.com, since Adobe are the creators of Photoshop. Once you're on the site, remember that Photoshop is a paid subscription program. Adobe often provides a free trial, or you can click on Compare Plans at the top and pick the plan that suits you, then complete your purchase. After subscribing, go to adobe.com and sign into your account. Once signed in, use the search option on Adobe's website and type in Creative Cloud, which is the app used to download and manage Adobe programs on Windows. Download the Creative Cloud installer, open your File Explorer, and run the setup file. Then follow the on-screen instructions and sign in if asked. When Creative Cloud opens, head to the Apps section on the left side. Find Photoshop in the list and click Install next to it. As I already have installed it, but for you just click Install button, and the installation will start, and you just need to wait for it to complete. Once it's finished, you'll see an Open button, and Photoshop will be installed and ready to use on your computer. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Photoshop on laptop and PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.